Gotta get my 2-minute update with crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check this.
Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the Grok radio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 11.4 cents, down 0.14% with volume up 55.42%. The price is ranging from a high of 11.9 cents and a low of 11.0. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,061 million to 178,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 19,535,000, which is up. Etherscan is showing 312,399 holders, up 55. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 43.76%, number 2 is OKX with 8.48%, and number 3 Coinbase with 8.03%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers and our main Reddit channel has 108,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
I'm on the chain, see my balance packed. Graphs and charts, they never slack. Gotta get my 2-minute update with crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats. Crypto numbers growing stacks. Round and round, do-si-do. In the crypto dance, we all on top.